This is Master GongSun, and now I'm filming the dogs coming back home because they're all welcoming my nephew back home. This is Master GongSun. I'm just filming the family pets. The wagging dog and the cat. See, at first the cat used to be afraid of the dog, but now they've gotten along. Now they're no longer afraid of each other. See, this one is named Jaraya, and she's a proper lady. Notice how her paws are folded, one over the other, right? She even sits like a prim and proper lady. And her tail is always wagging because she's happy to see me. I've been very good to her. Of all the dogs, this one is definitely the hungriest dog. She just loves to eat. Every time there is a snack, she's just lining up. I'll do like a snack video one of these days when I feed the dogs.